in law, is the Abuja Municipal Area Council a local government? Would you say AMAC?
Really, AMAC is not a local government per se. The man that has been given the assignment, the FCT minister, cannot on his own be delegate. Delegatus, not protest delegate. You cannot delegate what has been delegated. When we say local government, but acts, whatever is inside.
If you feel that the market will not be of course, it's so. Fundamental right now that they are before it. They have its reasons. In this, the confusion in this issue is that we really don't know who is the accuser and who is the judge, who is the prosecutor. Jubril raised the issue of the house was defensive. Hello viewers and welcome to your program Legally Speaking, a program in which we look at politics, power and policies from the eyes of the law. My name is Chijioke Kanu, your regular anchor. Today we are going to look at zoning by political parties and the law. What did law say? How did law regard zoning by political parties? I have my guest in the studios, but you are going to meet him when we return and we'll talk about the issue. Welcome to the program. Welcome back. If you are just joining, this is Legally Speaking, and I promise that I'm going to introduce you to my guest. He's a regular guest in this program, Prince Alabo, a legal practitioner in Abuja. Prince, nice to have you.
It's my pleasure.
Welcome. Today we are talking about zoning. You remember, if you trace it from 1999, since this republic, zoning has become almost a permanent feature of political arrangements. We're trying to look at it from the point of the law. As an opener, is it lawful?
It's not lawful, but it's for the convenience of the party. It's not lawful. What happens is that anybody can come from any part of the country
And contest election.
Yes. You
Yes.
can take your wife as a running mate because the constitution did not bar her or did not bar you from being a running mate to your wife.
Okay.
But for convenience, major parties decided to zone presidency to the south, to the north,
And vice versa.
and vice versa. Yeah. So it's not lawful because no constitution.
In the sense that anybody can be barred to aspire.
Anybody can aspire. You can take your wife as a running mate.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, people are saying that the constitution recognized federal character.
Yeah.
How can we relate it to the party zoning system?
No. Federal character is only those things like in the constitution it says that every state will produce a minister. Apart from that, federal character is of no use because for now the security people, all of them are from one part of the country, not just the north, one part and almost one religion.
That means the Federal Character Act is obeyed in breach, maybe somewhere.
It's a breach. If not, whatever you do, supposed to carry the federal character along. What you do in your state, what you do in your local government, it must touch on all wards if it is local government.
Yes.
If it is state, in all aspects, all local governments. If it is federation, all states, all states.
Yes.
So you cannot appoint somebody, all of them from one. That is a
violation of that act.
That is a knowledge. That's what the federal character is trying to build. That if you look at the constitution of
Nigeria.
Where Nigeria is the states, like the cut-off mark in universities, in university schools It's not Sokoto. If Sokoto is 17%, Imo will be 84%.
Yeah, that's right.
So that everybody in the country will be able
To participate.
Yes.
It doesn't matter whether the child in Zamfara has 2%.
Yes.
And the child.
If there is a cut-off mark,
Yes.
it's
For
2% and above.
the zone.
Yeah.
But in that regard, the politicians are trying to leverage on what that law has said.
Yes, what they are saying is that let us do it one kind. We are from the northern part of the country. If you are president, your vice must not come from the north.
Mm-hmm.
That is very correct.
That's equitable also.
That is very correct.
Because lawyers argue that federal character was supposed to be legislation on equity.
Yes, it's equitable. It's equitable, but it's not lawful.
So federal character survives on equity, not on law.
On law.
Federal Character Act and the Commission.
Yes, it is well now propagated from what federal character means.
Under equity then.
Yeah, under equity. But even then, they are not following it.
Because the law is the best for the best.
Yes.
The first for the first.
Yes.
But the equity is all for everyone.
Everyone.
All for everyone.
Yeah.
So Federal Character Act and the Commission is an observance of equity.
Yeah.
Rather than
more of equity than the law. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
That's kind of legislating equity.
Yeah.
But the political parties can be said also to, because it's a kind of agreement, isn't it? They agree on it.
A political party has agreed on it, but not all political parties have agreed.
But those who agree on it, it's impossible against them.
They try to.
Because
They try to.
Uncle Jerry Ghana
Yes.
was saying that look, Donald Duke or not have contested.
No, not Jerry Ghana.
Okay,
Let
sorry.
us remove Jerry Ghana.
Okay.
His followers. We don't know whether he knows, but his followers say on TV and were saying that the party zone that aspect of it to the north.
Yes.
So why is Donald Duke
Under SDP.
Which
Which means they are saying it's an enforceable right.
Right. I don't know whether they've gone to court.
Now, how did Donald Duke get the form to run for president coming from the south if it was zoned to the north?
Yes. So that's why I say because he has not issued out the statement.
But he has not denied that that was not the agreement. We have been trying to get to Uncle Jerry for a long time, and they are not allowing us to do that. But I assure you, are going to get to him this time around because it's a very classical case of what we're talking about.
Yes.
The constitution he is defending. I watched him on TVC for more than 1 hour, almost an hour.
He said he had agreement. That party had agreement with other parties.
Yes.
That if they are not the ones selected, if they are president, they will give their constitution to
the one that is selected,
so that because it has a lot.
But what Uncle Jerry's supporters are saying is that look, this is enforceable.
That is but the party gave out the forms.
That is where the problem is.
The party gave out the forms, so automatically the party must have, because they don't just give forms to everybody.
Well, listen, Prince, it's good that you're here today. APC had only one presidential form.
Yeah.
Which was so.
No, when we will say they had one presidential, but only one presidential. But with their account, the one man was coming down that he was going to contest against. I think it's an Hausa man. He was contesting against the president. But we didn't see it.
Did he buy the form?
No, the form may be too expensive for him. 45 million.
Now, President Muhammadu Buhari contested alone.
Alone.
And votes were casted.
Yes, and it was the season of direct farmer against with who I don't know.
Yeah, but because of the parties that you scored 4 million or 14 million.
14 million.
Against who?
Against who?
If a consensus candidate, because the the primary of all progressive presidential primary of all progressive conference and the outcome has no place in law as it were.
Yeah.
People are arguing that it has no place in law. If votes were cast, it must be between you and someone else. But if you are coming as a sole candidate, consensus candidate, then there will no need to vote for vote.
No, there is need for voting. That is, you need to score more than those voted. Your vote, those who voted for you, need to be more than those who don't vote for you.
The argument on the other side is that, look, you vote when there's a contestant.
No. If you go to the constitution,
yes.
If you go to the constitution, there is a situation where one man alone was said, like during the Abacha's time, they say the five fingers, the five parties adopted him as their presidential candidate. He still needs to go for voting of the Nigerian populace and score 2/3
to become the president. Or not to become a presidential candidate.
No, a presidential candidate and the president is the same thing. It's the same thing. Because if you are not a presidential candidate, you still need to be voted for or voted against.
Yes, the argument that from the margin party primaries, when all the parties, all the contestants in the party has adopted one person.
The party,
yes. There is no need to vote.
No. The party has adopted one person, but the people in the party, did they adopt one person?
The presidential candidates adopted one person.
No, the party adopted one person. They still need to ratify him.
Yes.
Why did they go for
by proclamation? Just proclamation.
Why did they go
for by voting?
No. They 7,000 went to ratify him.
Good.
7,000 went to ratify him.
Yes.
Yeah.
So the problem is, does he need a vote to qualify in the absence of a contestant?
No. He needs a vote because they may offend the provision of the constitution. He needs a vote. Whether those who voted for him agree or otherwise, but he needs a vote.
Well, when we come back, we have to go on this break. And when we come back, the conversation will continue. Welcome back. It's still Legally Speaking, and my name is Chijioke Kanu. I'm in the studios with my legal colleague Alabo Wokoma. He's a priest and a legal practitioner in Abuja. Priest, before we went on that break, we're talking about voting for a sole candidate. But be that as may, the parties, the major political parties, have come out to their presidential candidates, and are also their running mates are known. Their running mates are known right now. For APC, it's Osibajo because it has not been changed. Nothing has been said about it. And for Atiku Abubakar of the PDP, is Obi. But before we get there, there's a saga in Zamfara State. INEC said, look, you are not going to fill any candidate for this election because you did not do so within the time provided by the law. What's your reaction to that?
Yes, because they are senator. I don't know whether he went for governorship election, but he was there. You can say he's a service senator. And he said there was no primaries. That he was there was no primaries. So if you don't have a primary, you are not supposed to have a candidate. Because Constitution does not allow you.
Of course.
It ends on the 6th, which was a Sunday.
Yes.
Is it 6 or 7? When it ends that way, you don't have a candidate and you don't have a you are not allowed to substitute.
Oshomole reacted to that INEC position.
No, Oshomole is not a lawyer, so let us forget about it. How many has he reacted to? Which is the
that
result?
was correct.
Which is the result? He's not a lawyer.
but look,
when he became a Labour leader, it was the person what he represented. They were not there. They were defunct.
that's true.
So he was just there for the sake of being. Before he became a president, they were defunct.
Now, see, somebody said we must be there without looking at the law. He's saying that they had a primary and that they still have time. Initially, he said we have primary within time, we are going to do this. But the point is, there is a time for the primary, then there is a time for substitution of the outcome of that primary. You understand?
Every party had a primary on that day.
Within the time,
A
yes.
day or that date.
Yes.
So if you are not able to submit to 12 midnight on that date, you are not qualified.
And Zamfara did not submit anything.
They did not submit anything.
People are saying that what APC is trying to do is to call a meeting and produce something that will fall within the period. But there's a snag. Was INEC part of the proceedings? Even if you say you did.
The man said there was no primaries.
A serving senator.
A serving senator and a man, whether he went for president, because most of them went for governorship. Apart from I don't know whether that man, governorship, he has done 8 years. But that man was there. He even came out and denied his defection. He said he was not defected.
Okay.
They quoted that. But the senator said there was no primary.
We are following the Zamfara matter.
Yes.
Legally and
so they don't have, even they are the ruling party, they have no say in that. It has happened before.
Yeah, it has happened.
It has happened.
All right. Obi, Atiku, Buhari, Osinbajo.
No, don't mention Osinbajo because we don't know yet.
He remains the vice president.
No, he's a vice president, but he's not a vice presidential candidate yet.
All right.
There are two different things. His tenure ends with the night.
Hey, he's not supposed to be produced at the primary election.
No, there's an election after the ratification. I expected the president to announce him.
He has not done
if he's
that.
running with him.
He has not picked a running
But he
mate.
has not really, those who raised up the hands of the president, he was not one of them.
He was not.
His hand was supposed to have raised
Together,
along with the
to show
president.
that they are running together.
So we are not sure yet.
So those,
But that of
as
PDP we are sure because they've announced to us that Obi is a running mate.
will they make any difference
What's that?
in governance?
They are both businessmen. They are both businessmen before they are politicians. And they've all been politicians for 8 years. More than 8 years. But they've been in government for 8 years. Apart from being politicians for more than 8 years.
Yeah.
And they've been business, all of them, all the two of them are no longer in service. So they've gone to their businesses.
Yes.
So they are, I was looking at Obi's, he went to school in Harvard.
He was a Harvard graduate.
And he has economics. He's an economics.
Yes.
The other one was in civil service for 20 years.
Yeah.
He came out as a businessman, still in business.
Won a governorship election.
Won a governorship election.
Then made a vice president
for
for
8 years. 8 years.
And contested
Came out
presidential
and
election.
doing well in his business. And he has universities. So they have been different because right now, for 4 years of APC,
Yes. I also know that
they don't know, we don't have,
I also
it should
know
be deteriorated.
I also Prince, I also know that you are a legal economist.
Yes.
Obi's Anambra template, can it be translated nationally? You know, he was the best.
No, he can. He can. In short, before you become an economist of a parlor, you know, if you are not a good father, you can't be a president.
It's not possible.
You can't be a president if you are not a good family man.
You can't perform.
You can't. Forget about those they told us that they are good family men. No. If you are a good family man, then bloodshed will be something to you. Blood will be something to you.
Yeah.
So that shows that, because I don't come to your sitting room to know whether you are good or not.
Yes. So Anambra template. You know, Anambra became the best.
The
In
best.
the 8 years of Obi.
In short, it was not a strategic guess.
Yeah, this is anchor of political platform. I was quoted as saying, Tony, is right that the difference between Anambra and Imo State is where the road good road ends.
Yes.
And that is Obi.
And but that's exactly between Rivers State and Imo State. So the good road ends between Imo and Rivers. Even if you enter Ibadan, you know you are now in
Imo State. You have left Rivers State.
Rivers State.
That's what Anakwe was wanted to have said to his wife.
Why?
But be that as it may, you affirm that what Obi did in Anambra State to bring it to #1 state can be translated #1 in terms of development, not in terms of resources.
And he was not getting resources.
Yeah.
The resources are very meager.
So in the combination of two businessmen and I think we has a diploma.
Not just two businessmen. These people
Two
were
successful
businessmen, and they were in government.
Yeah.
You are forgetting the answer that they were in government for 2 tenures.
Yeah.
For 2 tenures each.
I think it was a diploma from Ahmadu University, and I think that is enough.
No. They want to be a business
Secondary school
certificate. If you have
he has surpassed.
If you have primary school and you've served 10 years in a qualified way, you are succeeded.
Yes. But he even have a secondary school certificate. He also have a diploma.
And he has a university.
Yeah.
Which is managing today.
Yeah. That's duet.
Yes.
Then the other group, the president is still running sole as far as we are concerned.
Yeah, sorry.
He's not on solitary terms. We don't know who the vice president
will be. The time and it's expiring, when it expires. Whether you are submitted, no, you need to submit the name to INEC.
Yeah, but even when he appoints, before he submits, we will know.
No, even if he doesn't appoint, submission is key.
Yes.
Key.
Yes, submission
we
is
know
key.
from there.
Yeah, submission is key because that is the problem they're having in Zamfara.
Yeah.
And
not submitted.
You are from River State.
Yeah.
What's happening to APC River State?
APC went into, from what I heard, went to indirect primaries. And they had the candidate. But the court of law have nullified them. So they're on appeal already.
On appeal already?
Yes.
I hope the outcome of the appeal.
If it favors them, then their candidate returns.
If it doesn't,
they will
feel a candidate.
They go to Supreme Court. I don't know how long that one will take.
Because I'm worried, so that what happened in Zamfara will not happen in River State.
No. Rivers is different from Zamfara.
Okay.
Rivers is because there is a court verdict.
Mm-hmm.
You understand?
Mm-hmm.
So if a superior court gives a contrary verdict, they return. If it doesn't, they go on appeal to Supreme Court.
It's something from Imo. Imo is still having that quagmire.
Yes, because Ozodinma went to court, and court said he was the rightful candidate.
Yes.
So they had to go on appeal to bring down Ozodinma.
Between Rochas and his son-in-law and Ozodinma. And Rochas is taking. He said he won the seat for the senatorial.
He has said Ozodinma seat. Because Ozodinma is from Oluzo. It's from Oluzo. And Rochas came from Oluzo. And now we see it.
Let's leave this in another day. It's a pleasure. Anyway, thanks for coming. This is how far we can go today. Time is not our friend as always. But we want you to react to what we have just said using the addresses on your screen right now so that the conversation will continue. Thank you for being a part of the program. Expect us next week with a new edition of the program. God bless you.